This is more of an economic question, right? Public debt, modern economists think public debt is an essential means of increasing employment, an element of economic policy, but it is also shifts the burden to future generation, right? Kindly write, this is a more of a general studies question, how public debt, right? Today's public debt impacts the future. So there are various possibilities, even though the Keynesian model of welfare economics, it somewhere promotes the inflationary budgets. It promotes the the overspending by the state in terms of development activities, or at least in terms of some welfare activities that state can undertake. Overcrowding or crowding out by the state. So there are various repercussions. Then the regulator or the financial regulator might go for deficit financing, which obviously we have stopped. So there can be various consequences, right? Indirectly affecting the fiscal policy, right? And somewhere impacting the financial markets, and likewise currency rates and so many other things. So you can bring these perspectives, right? I'm not getting into the technicalities because it is more about the economic perspective, right? So you can write it much better, right? So somewhere, right, you can analyze it and say, yes, there are certain repercussions, but then again, the idea is that welfare states cannot undermine the public expenditure, right? And if public expenditure, unless public expenditure increases, there would not be developmental activities or inclusive development. For that, a healthy public debt is also needed, right? FRBM rules, FRBM Act, they already have talked about, or that is one framework under which we try to rationalize the public debt, right, and the deficits. Fine, so we can talk about that also. But see, problems like COVID and other kinds of unemployment or poverty, they somewhere create the necessary conditions under which the state has to overspend, or it has to borrow and then spend. Fine, so you can write it. Maintenance cost of maintaining bureaucracy, big administrative system, all leads to public debt. Talk about it.